Hello student, today we do exercise 3.3, chapter 3rd, data handling. Today's topic of class 7, representation of data. Here are so many methods to represent a data like bar graph, horizontal graph, frequency polygon, pie chart. But in class 7th we do only bar graph. What is bar graph? Bar graph is a representation of numbers using bars of uniform width, and the lengths of bar depend upon the frequency and scale. Types of bar graph. How much type? Total 3. Vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph, double bar graph. Often we use vertical bar graph. In vertical bar graph, bars are like this. Okay. Double bar graph is used for comparison always and also an important. Now we do sums of exercise 3.3. Sum number 1 and sum number 2 both are easy question. You do it self. Sum number 3. Number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent the data in the bar graph. On the bar graph. Classes. Number of children. We have to make its bar graph. See, graph is on your screen. You all are familiar. इससे आप सभी परिचित हैं. Okay. For drawing it, we need a scale and a pencil. Draw x-axis, which is called horizontal line. Vertical line called y-axis. Where these two lines meet, the point is called origin. Now, gap. Take a proper gap of one big unit. Here classes. Number of children. Lowest value 80, highest 135. Let me start our graph from 50. Gap should be proper. See, gap 50 to 60, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. But from starting, here gap is 0 to 50. That's why we use here kink. किंक बोलें आप इसे KINK या जिग जैग बोलें, एक ही बात है. इस तरह से बनाया जाता है. इसमें अनडिफाइंड डाटा जो है शामिल होता है. नाउ प्लॉटिंग. क्लास 5th 135. हियर आफ्टर 130 which class? Class 5th. Next class 6th 120. See, 120 is here. 120. Complete it. Class 6th, write down. Next one is class 7th 95. Between 90 and 100. Class 7th, class 8th 100 student. See 100. Class 9th 90. See 90. Class 10th 80. That is your bar graph. Maintain proper gap between the bars. Write down now here. These are classes. Here on the y-axis, number of children. Write scale also. On x-axis, one big unit equals to one class, and on y-axis, one big unit equals to 10 children. Now here we give some answers of the question. How would you choose a scale? कैसे choose किया आपने? One big unit is equals to 10 children. 10 का gap लिया. Write down. Next part B. Answer the following question. Which class has maximum number of children? Class 5th. Write down here. Class 5th has the maximum number of children, and minimum in class 10th. Class 10th has the minimum number of children. Next, it's the second part. Find the ratio of the student of class 6th to the student of class 8th. Number of student in class 6th, that is 120. Number of student in class 8th, how much? 100. Next one is its ratio. 120 रेशो 100. रेशो में हम इस तरह से कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे, डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे 12 0 से 0 2 6 जा 2 5 जा, दैट्स वाई रेशो इज 6:5. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सम नंबर 4 is on your screen. The performance of a student in first term and the second term is given. Draw the double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following question. Subjects, first term marks, second term marks. First we draw its double bar graph. Double bar graph is used for comparison always. See, graph is on your screen. For it you need a scale. Draw x-axis called horizontal line. Draw y-axis called vertical line. Arrow use y, arrow use x. Here mark 0. For subject, take a proper gap. One big unit show one subject. Y-axis, take a proper gap of 10 10. Write down. Up to 100 sufficient. Subject English. In first term, How many marks? 67. 67. After 65, 2 boxes. एक ही बार का आप हाफ करेंगे और उसमें एक बार में आपने डबल ग्राफ दिखाना है. इन सेकेंड टर्म इंग्लिश मार्क्स 70. सी 70. Fill it. You can use color also. In Hindi, first term 72. See 72. After 72 boxes. In second term 65. In maths, first term 88. First we will fill it by using slanting lines. In maths 88. After 80, count 8 small boxes. Then 95. Between 90 and 100. जब आप ग्राफ को ध्यान से देखेंगे आपको इजीली मिल जाएगा काउंट एंड मार्क. नेक्स्ट वन इज साइंस, सब्जेक्ट साइंस 81. आफ्टर 80 ओनली 1 बॉक्स. $85. $80 और 90 के बीच में 85. नेक्स्ट वर्क लास्ट सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस 73. आफ्टर 70 काउंट 3 बॉक्सेस. $75. Again shade. Maintain this proper gap. Now write down here subjects: English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science. These are subjects. These are marks. Important. Now scale. On x-axis, one big unit equals to one subject. On y-axis, one big unit is equals to 10 marks. Also, blank box represent first term marks and filled box using slanting line second term marks. That is your double bar graph. After it, we do question. Question number 4 part first. In which subject has the child improved his performance most? See gap 3. यहाँ डाउन जा रहा है. गैप ऑफ 7. देन 4 देन 2। तो सबसे ज़्यादा उसने किस में परफॉर्म किया है? मैथ्स में। इन मैथ्स, मैथ्स तो होता ही बहुत अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है। इन मैथ्स बाय 7 मार्क्स। सेकेंड पार्ट, इन विच सब्जेक्ट इज इम्प्रूवमेंट द लीस्ट? सबसे कम गैप कहाँ था? सोशल साइंस का। सोशल साइंस subject is the improvement least. Third part, social science is also an interesting subject. Has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, in Hindi. Okay student, understood? Now the next question is number 5. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Favorite sport? Watching, जो लोग देखते हैं. Participating, जो खेलते हैं. Draw the double bar graph choosing on an appropriate scale. What do you inform from the bar graph? From the double bar graph. X-axis, this one is y-axis, where these two lines meet, the point is called origin. Write down here y, spots, one after one box we will take. See, maximum watching 1240 and minimum is 105. That's why we take a gap of 100. 100. Write down 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300. 10 small boxes represent 100 persons. Then one small box represent 10 persons. Listen it carefully. Now first one is cricket. For cricket, how many persons watching? 1240. After 1200, count 4 boxes for 40. That is 1240. See, 1240. Now complete it. Participating 620. After 600, how many boxes? 2. We will fill it by circle. You can use any different design also. Next one is basketball, 470. 470. After 400, how many boxes? 7 boxes. Count, mark, complete it. Participating 320. After 300, 2 boxes. Here fill it by using small circles. Next 510. After 500, 1 box only. 4 showing 10 persons. Next one is 320. participating. Filled it. Next is 430 in hockey. Hockey 430. After 400, 3 boxes. Participating 250. Athletics watching 250. Participating 105. After 100 अगर 1 बॉक्स पे मार्क किया जाए तो 110 बन जाएगा, तो आपने हल्का सा उसे थोड़ा सा नीचे लेना है, that is 105. See, your graph is on your screen. Now write down here cricket. Next one basketball. Next swimming, hockey, athletics. Favorite sports, write down favorite sports here. Number of persons. Now scale. On x-axis 1 big unit equals to 1 spot. On y-axis 1 big unit is equals to 100 person. Blank for watching and filled with small circle participating persons. Now question based on this graph. What do you inform from the bar graph? क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है आपको? People bar graph inform that favorite sports of people, either watching or participating. Next one, which sport is most popular? Cricket. Cricket is most popular game. Third, which is the more preferred watching or participating in sports? ज़्यादा क्या लोग पसंद करते हैं? देखना, watching. Watching is more preferred in sports. You will write in complete sense. Now the next is question number 6, last question of this exercise. Important question, this table from your introductory part 3.1 table. Temperatures of a cities as on 26/6/2006. Cities: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu, Mumbai. Maximum and minimum temperature, these are on your screen. We have to make its graph. Okay. X-axis Then here I am taking y-axis 0, mark after 1 big unit, take a gap of 10 or you can take a gap of 5 also, but I am taking here gap of 10. Maximum temperature is 41, that's why I will go up to 50. Okay, fine. Now see, Ahmedabad 38. After 30 how many boxes? 8. मिनिमम 29 मैं पहले मार्क कर रही हूँ, उसके बाद साथ साथ वर्टिकल लाइंस जो है हम ज्वाइन कर देंगे. फिल दिस वन सेकेंड. अमृतसर 37. After 37 boxes count and mark 26, 25, then 26. Bangalore 28. Maximum, minimum is 21. टेन का जब आप गैप लेते हैं तो आपको कोई भी ग्राफ बनाने में मुश्किल नहीं होती है, तो इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर 10 का गैप लिया है. चेन्नई मैक्सिमम 36. आफ्टर 35, 36. मिनिमम 27, 20, 30, 25. Then count 2 boxes for 27. Write down here Ahmedabad, here Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, here Delhi, then Jaipur, Jammu, मुंबई. इसको आप थोड़ा सा और एक्सटेंड कर दें. फॉर दिल्ली टेम्परेचर 38, मैक्सिमम, मिनिमम 28. आफ्टर 28 बॉक्सेस. जयपुर 39, 40 से एक बॉक्स नीचे, और मिनिमम के लिए 30 से एक बॉक्स नीचे 29. बिल्कुल ध्यान से करना आपने ग्राफ. जम्मू टेम्परेचर इज 41, minimum temperature is 26, 25, 26. Mumbai 32, minimum 27. See, that is your double bar graph. Temperature was given maximum and minimum of the cities. These are cities. Write down here cities, here temperature, of cities in degree Celsius. In degree Celsius. Now scale. On x-axis, one big unit equals to one city. On y-axis, one big unit equals to 10 degrees Celsius. Blank box for maximum temperature, and this horizontal line filled box shows minimum temperature in degree Celsius. Now we do answers behalf of this question, that is, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum number of temperatures on the given data. आप डिफरेंस देखेंगे इन सबका, like here of 9, here 11, then 7. इस तरह से आपने देखना है. तो आपका जो लार्जेस्ट डिफरेंस है वो किसका आ रहा है? जम्मू का. दैट इज अबाउट 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस. राइट डाउन Jammu city. You have to write the answer in complete sense. Jammu city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature of the given date. Second one, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Hottest सबसे गर्म, hottest city that is Jammu, 41 degree temperature. coldest सिटी सबसे कम किसका है टेम्परेचर? बैंगलोर, 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस. थर्ड पार्ट, नेम 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. See here 28 is less than 29, that is minimum temperature of Jaipur, and 28 is less than 29, that is minimum temperature of Ahmedabad. That's why Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Fourth one is, name the cities which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Least difference, that is Mumbai. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling always.